Greetings to all of you traders out there, wherever you are in the world. This AZZAM Karmaya from AFD channel, specialized in analyzing and coding trading strategies to help traders to improve their work. Today I will talk about a scalping strategy that I saw on my trading journey channel. We will explain the rules, test it and finally code it, to see if this strategy is actually working. And by the way, if any of you guys has a suggestion about a certain strategy, and wants me to make a code and video about it, then you're more than welcome to leave me a comment with a link about it and I'll check it out and get back to you with another video. So let's start. This strategy includes two free Tradingview indicators. Now let's go ahead and add them to our chart. JLATR. We need to change some settings. Gillen's cloud. We need to remove some options. Now our strategy is ready, let's go into trading rules. For a long signal to be valid. By signal, the price must be above the yellow dots. And the cloud must be green. Now we can take a long position. Our stop loss must be 1%. And the risk to reward ratio will be 2 or 1 or 1.5. We will test all options to find what is the best one. And now let's move on to short condition. For a short signal to be valid. Sell signal. The price must be below the yellow dots. And the cloud must be red. Now we can take a short position. Our stop loss must be on 1%. And the risk to reward ratio will be 2 or 1 or 1.5. We will test all options to find what is the best one. And we're gonna try a few trades.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Now it's time to code it to see if it's actually working and what the win rate is. And we're finally done. I will put a link to this code down below in description and it's completely free. Now, let's see the result. As we can see, the win rate is 28%. And I wouldn't recommend any of you to use them. It's very risky. But if you would like to check and try this strategy by yourself, then I provided the link in the description down below. so you can use it but carefully. And this was all. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button. Good luck and stay tuned for another video.